Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be doing a very easy drawing of a campsite during the daytime. So we need to choose the color of our tent. I want my tent to be purple. Okay, so I'm going to get my purple and I'm going to draw 3 lines down. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to make my line to the left. I'm sorry, to the right. Excuse me, to the right. And then I'm going to do a line down. And then I'm going to make the bottom of my tent. I'm going to give my tent a little window too. A little window. And then I'm going to make a mountain. I want my campsite to be by a mountain. So I'm going to make a large triangle in the middle of my page. And it's only going to have the top and the side right here. I'm going to give myself a little wave here. It's very cold where this mountain is, so I want evergreen trees. Okay, evergreen trees are going to go all around. So I'm going to get my green crayon. I'm going to give myself a wavy line, touch the bottom of my mountain, and go all the way out of my page. Then I'm going to give myself some trees, guys. Remember, we're going to pause and play whenever we need to, so we can finish this drawing together. I'm going to give them 1, 2, 3, 4 little branches. These are not super detailed trees, but they do look very nice and they work very well. Give myself another tree. Little curve, a little curve, and one more little curve. So we have 2 trees now. I'm going to draw another tree right here. Another curve. Okay, some more for the branches. Okay. I want them to be very, very simple trees so everybody can draw them together. Okay, on the other side of my tent, I'm going to give myself another tree. And then at the bottom of my tent, I'm going to give myself another line. All the way toward the bottom of my tent. Okay, all the way across my page. Okay, and then I'm going to do another 2 trees where I do 1 line down and then 6 little curves out. 1 line down and 6 little curves out so that my trees are done. Once I'm done with my trees, since my campsite is by a mountain, I'm going to get the color black and I am going to make some rocks so I can make a little fire. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 little circles for my rocks, and then I'm going to get the orange. So you can grab the orange color. We're going to do a letter U and then a W to make our flame look very bright. Okay, the next part is gonna be our white. I want us to have smoke coming out, so I'm gonna add some white so it doesn't interfere with the other colors that I use. If you can't see it, that's okay. Very nice. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get black because I want some birds in the sky. Okay, I'm gonna put some birds going around, flying in the sky. Okay, I'm gonna do one right there maybe. And I'm gonna need some clouds too. And my clouds are gonna be white also. Okay, and I'm gonna make a little shape for my cloud and then I'm gonna color my cloud in white. Okay. Okay, and you guys can, now that we're done with the drawing and we're adding in our background already, you guys can go ahead and fill in your background with whatever you'd like. So you can color in your tent, which I need to do. I need to color in my purple tent. Okay, I'm going to color in this cloud. Very nice. So when I color in my sky, it is going to look very nice. And my clouds are going to look very white. Okay, so let me color in my tent. I'm going to leave that window open a little bit. I'm going to use a lighter color there. Let's see. Use a pink on the inside right there. And then a pink right here. So my tent is 2 different colors now. Very nice. And you're going to go ahead and color in your background very nicely, boys and girls. And that's going to be the end of our easy drawing. Thank you so much.